Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed about exercise 1.4. Next concept, okay, very important. Complement of a set. Complement of a set. So what is a complement of a set means? Let U be the universal set. Let us consider U be the universal set. U be the universal set and A subset of A. Let us consider A is one set. A is a subset of universal set. Okay, subset already told now. So then the complement set, the complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not in the elements of A. So symbolically we write A dash. So A dash. So this is called A dash. A transpose. We will call it as A transpose. Otherwise A dash. A power 1 is the A dash. A dash. Otherwise A transpose. Okay. A transpose is what? A transpose A dash is equals to X such that X belongs to U. It contains in U but not in A. A dash means it contains in U but not in A. B dash means it contains in U but not in B, like that. So it symbolically how you can write one means A dash is equals to U minus A. Already know how to calculate difference of two sets. Okay, already calculated in last video, we already observed. Okay, difference of two sets already done now. So U minus A, universal set minus A is called A dash. Okay, B dash is nothing but U minus B. U minus B. C dash is nothing but U minus C, like that. D dash is nothing but U minus D. So where U is the universal set. U is the universal set. Okay, and A is any set. B is any set. C, D is like that. Okay, are the subsets of the universal set. So this is nothing but the complement of a set A. See here, U is a universal set. A is a subset of U. Then the complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not in the elements of A. That's why X is not belongs to A. Okay. Set of all elements of U contains in U but not in A. Okay. This is called the complement set of A. So therefore X belongs to U and X does not belongs to A. X belongs to U, X does not belongs to A. So therefore A dash is equals to what? U minus A. Okay. I will tell one example. The concept will be clear, my dear students. Okay, I will tell one example. See. Observe. I will tell one example. See, let us take example 20. Example 20. One problem is there in the textbook. Okay. U is equals to 1 to 10. U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. U is given like that and A 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We have to calculate the A dash. A dash we have to calculate. A dash. Find out A dash. Find out A dash. Okay na? Answer. How to do this one? See. Answer. So A dash is equals to what is the formula? A dash is equals to what is the formula? Already told U minus A. A dash is equals to what? U minus A. B dash is equals to U minus B. C dash is equals to U minus C, like that. So write down the U. U will so U barandra U. What is U? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 8, 9, 10. Minus. Okay. Minus. A means this one. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. You know how to do the difference of two sets. Okay. 1 is there, cancel. 3 is there, cancel. 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9, cancel. So what are the remaining elements? Write down. This is the complement of A. Very easy. Okay. So therefore, what is the answer? See what are the remaining elements here? What are the remaining elements? 2, okay, comma, and 4, comma, 6, comma, 8, comma, 10. So this is the answer. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, like that we have calculated. So I think the concept clear. Okay, concept will be clear. Concept already clear, I think. Okay, again tandre nodi u minus a subtraction difference already done now in last problem. So many done. Okay, that's why we do like this. U dash a dash equals to what? U minus a. B dash equals to u minus b. C dash equals to u minus c. Like that, keep it in your mind, my dear students. Okay, it's very easy. Complement of the set. A dash equals to u minus a. It contains in u but not in a. This is the definition. Once again, let u be the universal set. Let u be the universal set and a subset of u. Then the complement set of a is the set of all elements of u. Okay, set of all elements of u. U irutte, but not in the elements of a. A oligiralla. So symbolically we write a dash. So a dash is equals to, so x belongs to u and x does not belongs to a. Okay, so formula is simple formula is a dash equals to u minus a, b dash equals to u minus b. Okay, like that you have to simplify, my dear students. Very easy problems. So next question, example 21. Let u be the universal set of all students. U be the universal set of all the students. Universal set of all the students of a class 11. Okay, of a co-educational school. Boys and girls eradu idarante. Co-education, you know, no? Co-educational school. And A be the set of all girls in the class 11. Find A dash. So therefore, A dash equals to what? U minus A, no? U minus A. And the universal set minus set A. What is universal set? What is universal set? Set of universal set of all the students of the class 11. So you people first PUC students, no? You first PUC students ane. So first PUC students ankoli. So according to CBSE class 11 anti. Arthaita ashte. So first PUC students the set of all students in first PUC students minus first PUC students. First PUC students, okay, first PUC students minus, okay, what is A here? A is the set of all girls in the first PUC. Girls in the so first PUC girls, first PUC girls there, first PUC girls students. Okay, what is the remaining thing? What is the remaining thing? E, very easy. See what? So total class okay, girls there, remaining things are boys. Like that. So therefore the set of all boys in which class? In class boys in class 11. Okay, like that we have to simplify. Okay, set of all boys in class 11. So ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So rub this one. No need to write this one. You can write like this. Set of if you want to write some other set of all students in class 11 minus set of all girls in class 11 is equals to set of all boys in class 11. Understood? Total class okay. If you subtract boys, you get girls. If you subtract girls means you will get the boys. Okay, this is very easy and easy understanding also. Okay, see next. We'll see next question. See, I want to tell one property. Okay, A dash ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು A complement, and again we are doing another complement A dash again whole dash. So it will be A only. This is the main property. Okay, so very important condition. So let us take one example to prove this one. U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay na? Let us take. A is equals to 1, 2, 3. Okay. Tell me what is A dash? Tell me A dash. A dash is equals to what? U minus A. U minus A now. So U ಒಳಗಿಂದ A ತೆಗೆದರೆ 1 2 3 ತೆಗೆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What is the remaining thing? 4 5. 4 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Again I calculate A dash whole dash. A dash whole dash. A dash whole dash is what? U minus A dash. U minus A dash. U minus A dash. Okay. U, this is U. A dash is this one. So 1 2 3 4 5 ಇಂದ 4 5 ತೆಗೆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 2 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore 1 2 3. So this is nothing but what? A only. A 1 2 3 1 A. So therefore A dash whole dash is equals to what? A dash whole dash is equals to A dash whole dash is equals to what? So U minus A dash is equals to 1 2 3 is equals to A only. Okay na? So like that I had to simplify. So therefore what is the property? Very very important property. A dash whole dash is equals to what? A. Okay. See, let us do the next problem. Example 22. Okay. So by using this example, we will derive, show one property. This is the property. A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash is equals to this one property. Say A union B whole dash is equals to what? A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. So we will prove by this example. We will prove that the property. Okay. Answer. U is given 1 2 3 4 5 6 and A is given 2 3 and B is given 3 4 5. Okay. And I had to find out A dash B dash A dash intersection B dash A union B. Hence we have to show that A union B whole dash equals to A dash intersection B dash. Okay na? First we have to calculate A dash. A dash. A dash is equals to what? You know the formula. U minus A. U minus A. So this is the formula. U minus A. So is equals to what is U right now? 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus A. A is what? 2 3. 2 3. Okay, like that. Cancel. So subtract difference of two sets. 2 and 3 cancel. 2 and 3 cancel. What are the remaining elements? 1 4 5 6. 1 4 5 6. See, very easy. Okay. Next, A dash is over. Next, B dash. B dash is equals to U minus what? B. B dash is equals to U minus B. So U is there. I will write directly. Okay. Understood. Okay. U minus B. U is 3 4 5 there. 3 4 5. Cancel 3 4 5. Write down the remaining thing. What is the remaining thing? 1 2 3 4 5 cancel. Why? Because B 6 right. So this is called B dash. Very easy now. Forward. Next. A dash B dash is over. Next. A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. A dash means already calculated. B dash already calculated. Okay. Intersection. You have to calculate the intersection to these two sets. Intersection two sets. Intersection okay. Tell me how to calculate intersection. One common intersection means what? Common to both the sets. Okay. So intersection. So therefore 1. Okay. 1 common is there. 2 6. 2 is not there. 6 is there. 6. 4 5 not. So 1 comma 6 is the answer. So it like that we have to calculate A intersection. Third one is over. Next we will move to the next one called A union B. A union B. Okay na? A union B. A union B is what? We have to combine all the elements in A and B. So A will be combined. So 2 3 already is there. Don't write again and again. Write only once. 4 5. A union B is also over. Very easy. Next, I have to show that this one. Okay. A intersection A dash intersection B dash already already calculated. This is the RHS. Write down another time RHS. This one RHS is equal to. You have to calculate the LHS. LHS. What is LHS? Tell me. LHS is what? A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash. Okay. A union B whole dash what? Anything whole dash then u minus this value. Calculate or u minus that value you have to write. That is the technique. Okay. So u minus A union B. Okay. A union B whole dash equals to u minus this value. B dash u minus B. C dash u minus C. Okay. M dash u minus M. A union B whole dash u minus A union B. Like that you have to analyze the technique. Okay. U minus u is the u already there. See here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there. Minus A union B. 2 3 4 5 have to cancel. 2 3 4 5 cancel. 2 3 4 5 cancel. What is the remaining thing? 1 comma 6 only. So therefore 1 comma 6. Okay. So here also see 1 comma 6 already. Both are 6. Okay. So therefore we can tell that A union B whole dash is equals to hence. Okay, I will write once again. Hence we can tell that hence A union B whole dash is equals to what? A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. So this is the example 22. Very important. This property is also important. You have to learn this property also. A union B whole dash equals to what? A dash intersection. It becomes intersection. A dash intersection B dash. Another property is there. Another property also there. What is that? Another property means A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash is equals to A dash union. So intersection comes means union means intersection whole dash. Okay, A union B whole dash equals to A dash intersection B dash. A intersection B whole dash equals to A dash union B dash. Understood or not? Like that we have to simplify. So my dear students, so you have to observe that formulas also. Already 3 formulas over 3 properties. One is A dash whole dash equals to A and these 2 things. Okay, so we will see some other problems also, so some other properties also. See here, these are the properties. So therefore A intersection B dash RHS LHS A union B whole dash. So here A union B whole dash equals to A dash intersection B dash and A intersection B whole dash equals to A dash union B dash. Okay na? So these are the 2 properties and another property also there. A dash whole dash equals to A. Okay, we'll see some other properties also. Okay. See next Venn diagram of complement. Okay. Let us consider this is the universal set. Okay, universal set. And this is the set A, this one. Okay. So what is A dash? A dash is equal to what? U minus A na. So you have to eliminate U. It contains in U, but not in A. So A or A shade ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So you shade all these things. Okay. You shade all. Like that. So this is the answer. This shaded part is equal to like the shaded part is here now. This shaded part is known as A dash. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ. So by observing diagram means easy understanding purpose that John Venn English logician introduced already told Venn diagrams ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಸೊ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು. ಸೊ A dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. So what is A dash means? The elements contains U. U ಗೆಲ್ಲ universal set ಒಳಗಿದೆ, but not in A. So A ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. A ಎಲ್ಲ ಖಾಲಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? So A is empty. So we are removing from this U. U ಇಂದ remove ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. That's why A dash equals to what? That's what A dash equals to what? U minus A. Total U ಒಳಗೆ A ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. So not shaded here. That's it. So therefore this shaded part is nothing but the A dash area. So shaded region is the A dash area. Okay na? So this is the Venn diagram for the A dash. Okay. Next we will move to the properties. See, some other properties are there. See, these are some properties related to the complement of a set. Okay. So the first property is known as complement class. Complement class. So A union A dash. A dash means what? A dash ಅನ್ನೋದು A ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. A dash ನ ಎರಡು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, that is called universal set. Why? Because already written on this one Venn diagram. Venn diagram ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ this is A, this is U. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So this is all thing is known as what? This is A dash now. This area is called A dash. This whole area is called what? A dash. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ area A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A dash ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A dash. This is A and this is whole thing is A dash. A union A dash. A union A dash equals to what? Universal set. Total universal set ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Understood or not? Like that you have to think. So don't by heart. So if you by heart means it will be more difficult. Okay. First understand and then analyze it. Okay. So first one. Next A intersection A dash. These are disjoint sets. See, A is this one. This is the set A. A dash means this one. Outside set. Okay, outside region. Okay. Both are different now. So so therefore both are different. So there is no common element to A dash. So ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೋದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ. So different disjoint sets. So A dash intersection means there is no common element. That's why value is pi. Okay, A intersection A dash equals to what? Pi. Next we move to the second property. So this is already told in last example. These properties are known as De Morgan laws. Okay, so these properties are known as De Morgan's laws. Okay, De Morgan laws antive na these properties. See, already another time I will tell. See, A union B whole dash equals to A dash intersection. Union will becomes intersection. A union B whole dash equals to A dash intersection B dash. A intersection B whole dash equals to A intersection B whole dash equals to A dash union B dash. So these are one union intersection union. So like that you have to analyze. Okay na? See, these are called De Morgan laws. A union B whole dash equals to A dash intersection B dash. A intersection B whole dash equals to A dash union B dash. Okay na? So my dear students, next third property. This property is already told. One example already told. Okay. A dash whole dash equals to what? A. So A dash whole dash equals to what? See, A dash whole dash equals to what? A. So this is the another property. And last one. So this is called double complement antivi. Idine enu antandre double complement. Law of double complement. First complement again complement. Double complement. A dash whole dash equals to A. Okay, cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. dash cancel ಆಗಿ A ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಆ ಥರ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, not cancel. Next, law of empty set and universal set. This last one is known as law of empty set and universal set. Okay. Pi dash is equals to U. Why? Because what is pi dash? U minus pi. No, U minus pi. Pi dash equals to U minus pi. So U minus pi. Pi is a empty set. No. So U minus pi U only, like that. Okay. Next, U dash equals to what? U dash equals to U minus U. No. U dash equals to U minus U. Why? Because A dash equals to what? A dash equals to U minus A. B dash equals to U minus B. Like that. U dash equals to U minus U. That is pi. So keep it in your mind. Very very important this one. Pi dash is equals to what? Pi dash is equals to u dash is equals to pi. Okay. This is double complement. This is De Morgan laws. These are laws. Some other laws. Okay na. So A union complement laws. Okay. So these are some properties related to the complement of a set. Very very important and very very easy also. This is our the introduction about this concept. Okay, we will see next exercise 1.5. Okay, next class we will see that also. Okay, my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel and share to your friends also. Subscribe button ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So please subscribe click ಮಾಡಿ. Please click that subscribe means ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನೇನು ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Use that videos in free of cost. Okay, so develop the knowledge and share to your friends and relatives which is useful to some other also. Okay, that's right. So if you have any doubt you can ask so through WhatsApp and through commenting in this below video. Okay, my dear friends, thank you.